Hello, everyone. This is to show how you can use the branch system in Boomi to have different branches for the same process. So you can have a main branch like we have here, and then you can also make more branches so you can test stuff without affecting what's your production setup. So if we use this process, for example, it's currently on the main branch, but if we want to change stuff, we can go to branch management. And I've already set up a test branch here, but I'm going to delete it just to be a more complete example. So if I create a new branch, it'll give you these options here. And the source branch is the branch you want to be based on. So basically, this will be your starting point. Whatever the current state of, in my case, the main branch is where this new branch will start from. So if I do name that new branch test and hit create, it'll show up here. Also, to note, everyone will always have a main branch. That's just a normal working interface that Boomi works in. But if I go back to build, we'll have this process again. And up here in the top left, we have this drop down. So if I go to test, either switch the branch to test mode or the test branch, not test mode. And this branch will have its own revision history. But you can also see this revision was 17 from the main branch. But what this allows me to do is say, like, okay, let's say I want to remove this branch, this last branch from this process. I can remove it, hit save. And if we go into revision history, we'll see now there's a test branch for the new revision. And this revision will stay here in the test branch edited. But if I go back to the main branch, it'll be with however I left it in that main branch. As you see, it's still revision 17 here. But in the test branch, it's the revision 20. This allows you to test stuff in your process through test mode without, and also still while maintaining a good or known good version of your process in a different branch. Now, if you make changes in this test branch and then you want to merge it back into the main branch, you can go back into branch management and you can hit merge branch. And in this case, the source branch will be main still. Or sorry, it will be test because we want to copy from test. And the destination branch will be main, because what this will do is it will take the changes that were made in test and merge them back into main. So if I hit continue, you can see this is the change I made. So we have this one process moving over to this. And this should be a summary of all the different changes you made. In my case, it's only this one that's modified, so it's only going to be that one process that changes. Then I go to continue summary, and I hit merge branch. It will say it's initiated. We go back to main. You can see now the main branch has the changes we made in test, and it's now revision 21 because revision 20 was part of the test branch. Test branch will still be here. It'll just be in the same state you left it. And that's a basic overview of how the branching system works.